Good morning, Jack. Do you like the dining hall?
Yes, Dad, it's very big and bright. Wow, look at all this ice cream.
It does look exciting, doesn't it?
Good morning, sweetheart.
Mom, can I eat ice cream now?
I'll get some orange juice first.
Ice cream is better than juice.
We have eggs, fruit, and toast today.
But ice cream is right there. Mom, it's colorful and free.
Free food doesn't mean anytime food.
Just one bowl, please.
Not before breakfast. Let's stop for a second, Jack.
But I really want it. That's not fair.
I know it feels unfair. Let's talk about it together.
Okay, but I'm still hungry.
Look at this plate.
There's a lot of food. Why do I need all this?
Because your body needs balance. Eggs give you strength.
Fruit tastes better. Ice cream still looks best.
That's because it has sugar. Sugar is fun, but not all the time.
I like fun food.
I like food too.
Yes, too much sometimes. Imagine building blocks.
Oh, when they fall over.
Exactly like that.
I don't like when they fall. So food can fall me too.
In a way, yes. Ice cream can wait.
Okay, a little later. Dad, that's a big plate.
It's a buffet, buddy.
Do you remember last time?
That was a long time ago.
Did you eat too much?
Maybe just a little. I feel very confident today.
That's what you said before.
Orange juice is good.
Yes, drink it slowly.
I love this place.
Me too, especially dessert.
Please sit carefully.
I've got this.
Don't forget balance.
I hear that word a lot. My stomach feels happy.
For now.
You two are funny.
Dad is the funniest. Dad, my phone isn't working.
What does it say?
It says no internet.
That's normal on a ship.
But I need Wi-Fi.
You don't need it right now. Wi-Fi costs money here.
Money, really?
I only use it for work.
That's not fair. I'm bored without my phone.
You have us.
I can play this offline.
That's a good idea.
But it's not the same.
I understand. Family time is important.
Even without Wi-Fi.
Especially without Wi-Fi.
HMM. I feel upset.
That's okay.
It's quiet out there.
Sometimes quiet is good.
We're here together.
Yeah, we are.
Let's go walk.
Okay. I like this window.
It's peaceful. How do you feel now?
A little better.
The ocean never needs Wi-Fi.
That's funny.
Connection isn't only online.
What do you mean? Like us.
Yes, exactly. We're right here.
I like that.
I'm always here too.
Even without your phone. Oh, I get it.
I knew you would.
I don't need Wi-Fi now.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for explaining.
Family hug?
Yes,
Let's enjoy the evening.
I'm ready. I'll put my phone away.
Good choice.
Can I hold your hand?
Of course.
I feel relaxed.
Me too.
Let's walk slowly.
Okay. I'm thinking a lot.
That's good.
This trip is nice.
It really is.
No rush.
No Wi-Fi.
Just us.
Just family. The sunset is beautiful.
It is.
Look at those colors.
Orange and pink. I feel calm.
I'm glad.
Dad, can I lean?
Sure, buddy.
This is my favorite time.
Mine too.
The ship looks nice at night.
Like a city.
Dinner smells good.
I'm hungry again.
Let's eat together.
Yes,
Did you have fun today?
yes, I did. I'm smiling a lot.
I noticed.
Dessert time.
Ice cream.
A small one.
Deal.
You learned balance today.
I did.
Look outside again.
The ocean is dark now.
But we're safe.
Together.
That's what matters.
Yes. I don't need my phone.
I'm proud of you.
Can I wave with my spoon?
Go ahead.
This is a good day.
A very good day.
Good night, buddy.
Good night, Mom and Dad.